Oh my boo, 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 how I love thee, Jaja, 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 Jaja. Baby, how I love thee, Jaja, 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 Jaja. How I love thee, Jaja, 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 Jaja.
Oh, our love this morning. Our love is jajaing. The love is jajaing. What's that say? I think what you in a high on 95.1 FM. Lady Scarce.
Yes.
Other brother now cover.
But that's it.
Oh, why is no one says say? Oh my God,
Yeah.
because what this lady like voice be? But that's all yeah. You. Hey, what that damn? What that damn cry? And you remember me say lady in the born you me. Because that's our voice, you know, appearance. That's all I say. Oh, that's all yeah. Hey, then of course, I see all boys in the way. But also love songs. This is beautiful.
Thank you. Tisena okay. Don't mind the body, just mind the engine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the body judge will be you judge the person wrongly.
Exactly.
And you know, crap and you know, before somebody judge you, be get to know the person before. And now comfort to can your mouth a pen and funny pack on. Because what we see is different from what the person brings out.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
It's a pleasure here.
Don't teach me more.
Me teach you no there. Me teach you, but you too much. So me the be frafra.
What the be frafra?
That's right.
I can't say Lady Scarce. Lady Scarce on your mind.
Lady Scarce is a humble African artist who is by the grace of God blessed with the writing and singing skills. Who does Afro pop, hip hop, Afro dancehall, and a little bit of rap.
What? International become be my rap kakra.
That's right. Anyhow you want it, I'm ready for you. Ever ready.
When did you start doing music?
I started doing music at the age of 7 years.
Oh wow, that's really impressive.
Yeah, it's been a long time homecoming.
What shall I say? Was sorry, Anna.
Yeah, me shall say I was sorry, and then and also I represent my school in so many different competitions.
Okay.
So I was doing WOHO then, and so growing up, so I took my time to really listen to myself and follow up my career.
Okay, you go school here.
Me half Nigerian, half Ghanaian.
And why are they with the tree?
Because school in Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah, my papa be who you now we decided say me nyadai me be fie.
Okay, tomorrow be here in Ghana.
Yeah, me be fie be trace me route now me started with my music career, but now first time me bobo and so me tonium, so me combine the two together at the same time. And so coming back there was not easy. But all glory to God Almighty.
Coming back to where?
Coming back to Ghana.
Okay, from Nigeria to Ghana.
Yeah, to trace my route to become who I am today. To actually follow up now, to me Jinaye. So my baba can me declare Jina tonight ho kakra. Or my hometown. My bobo kakra and all that. Or do some stage now me decided to say my bankra.
They born an MP now.
And you say MP, it was just like two things calling at a time. Okay. So knowing right flow was say music was the particular thing that actually keeps me moving because it's something that's worth doing with my soul. As anytime I'm at home, I see myself actually flowing in a different dimension. So it makes me decide to choose music and follow up my career.
They say born the what born how many years in?
A job I bought for like let's say 8 years now.
Oh
yeah.
Do how come that's all about Bobby?
Though I do play football, but it's just for fun now. Yeah, WOHO once in the while, Nani Park Street here then.
I could book a cry.
I could jilly him kakra.
Okay. But first now with team Albo.
Yeah, first now my boy K2 Ladies FC in Volta region. I saw my bank had there. I my boy Taifa Ladies FC and no Blessed Ladies FC in Kaswa.
Oh, and I was my job boss out to
Music was my calling.
Okay.
So during those days there, like me bobo level few the crana me them me should go there me de enyom aden there is celebrated. So it gets to a time there I really decide to say this is my calling there. So I have to follow it up.
Oh wow. To one about matches to say now she go say.
Talking in terms of how many matches I played there, it was more than bulk. Yeah, I can say I played about 58 matches if I'm not mistaken, because playing different teams then, and then while I was with K2 Ladies FC, I scored about 18 goals for them, and then I joined Taifa Ladies FC. I scored 12 goals for Taifa Ladies, and then played Blessed Lady FC in Kaswa. I scored about 8 goals for them.
In 2 years, so football, but no team members. How did they feel?
Oh, no finding that very fun in there. Then no one believe you say I'm passing me equity football. But you see, in life there, when once you have this calling and you know who you're born to be, it gets to a time there you really have to make a decision for yourself and stand up and then choose that and then pursue your career to the right way.
Is the music paying?
It's not about the money in it, because I do music because it's a passion. I don't really look at the paying aspect of it, because obiabi or sorry or say ye juman or train it's customer they call ye juman and so it's something, it's a passion in me, something I feel so happy in the life doing. Of course, because it's what is in me. Actually,
and are you from a large family? Because I believe say in music you need a little money to push you. Impossible show, even if you want to have your own show, you need money. Now, are you doing a charity work?
I'm not doing a charity work, but almost and I was not born into a large family. It's been a long time homecoming, because my bank had here, I cannot crash out my brain. My brain, my buy bank with the can't here or Taifa. Tana Kakrana me ba Kaswa. Me da Zakun's public toilet and bath house.
A farm hall.
Good. Me da Zakun's public toilet and bath house at Kaswa for good 1 year. Now, Adia Chibia, me ba circle. Me teammates and I'm here there, me ba circle. I be join the boys in the street now. Yeah, it just so happened. I was phone lines never.
Transfer.
There be. They just swapping line, you know.
Okay.
Almost say back circle most times now. I'm off the bridge now. Quiet. We will say your dressing come there. Your generic will be better. My oboga open day, open laptop and now phone swapping and all that.
Golo boys.
Yeah, and so I was doing that and then trying to pick up my stand in the street, you know, because it wasn't easy to pay studio fees and all that. Most times to me treke free kaswa abaseko. Hey. Just to see that I was able to put things right, you know, because the studio paying was really difficult on me. So it continues until...
I'm sorry about this topic up. I'm really sorry about it.
Thank you. Until God in his infinite mercy made it possible for me.
Until what year now free bathroom hono a baby papa tonight?
If it's Zachmus pop,
This is
I think what tuning in a high on your 95.1 FM and Lady Scarce and a bon come on, I emotional. I had to put in the music. Jaja. Our love be Jaja. Lady.
Yeah.
The time when I free honum no I will afraid. Ujina when I swan kasa.
Before Zachmus public toilet and bathhouse on 2014, that was when I was able to me who say menya kakra I was street now menya day me mo started swapping phones I was street. Now so God being so good, I was still moving on. So anopabia me baseko me swapping here and you mena ma call black market e wa gbogboshi. Now so yeah then yes I call this swapping once na they swap it out as I top away you. So me we are back to Kaswa. So it wasn't easy.
No sign auntie.
Most times they are me nyaiska there me faka. Most times so me nyaiska me 90. And also I could do baby no crana most of the drivers now because of say medical they edimate. And it wasn't easy time I made it because obiabi on home is at time okase me yobema. to me for me say yenye adwuma no e kodru baby a the day no be find out say me nyoba na da na different issue
so pel
seriously obe bisa no say hey na hey Charlie make us your be ma me ne wa bo adwuma for all this months na me Charlie hey your body a me so me nyoba ma and then money ento aso me say there be a obe pa me free in the car. So it continues like that until.
No me dey no mu so your ba.
I will say me call bat house no there. Definitely me be dware one bar on the side no.
Okay.
So most times no mo bisa me say dent na me yo be ma me we what is.
And what bro?
Anya sem kitwa. Enya grom.
Wow. Into first song na ye jeje no.
Yeah, my first song officially released by Scarcely Entertainment is JJ. Yeah.
Omo label.
Yeah.
Record label.
Yeah, Scarcely Entertainment discovered me last year, 2022, which by the grace of God now I had the opportunity to perform on a show.
Oh wow.
At a Pusai Hotel in Kaswa. And there the management discovered me and gave me the platform by the grace of God that I am here today.
Oh, this is a lovely story. Do you want outro jeje no?
Yes.
Wow life story now they try and I say motivation from the street.
Motivation from the streets and a little bit of experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me now streets now only be date and now only boy be
time I Wall Street me who be na because so bad I can say your boys to me who the difference is here now you rolling in the street now me can say me no be date and to me mom and quiet day to be where I am today or who I am today. So I was just being straight and moving on myself.
But said they will sit here now some more mistake you for a boy no. Now a man be so approach you.
Yeah, I had that challenges about it many times in the streets. Yeah, when walking around into lane there, we will say those girls no more young who say too no. Hey, customer, like I'm gonna say me your bema like. So I could do baby there approaching me and now they may be disagree. Massage na yo, me your body say wow. So it keeps them a little bit away from me.
Mate, JJ. Your song is out, JJ. Me boy. I find be streaming live on videos near there.
My song is out in all digital platforms.
Okay.
You can get my song on iTunes, Spotify, Audiomack. It's out in all digital stores and exact nations. So you can get my songs there to stream and also pay me video ashray. You can watch my video in Scarcely Entertainment on YouTube. Yeah.
On YouTube. You know almost sign contract on.
Yeah, of course.
How many years?
Or that I wouldn't love to disclose in the air for now.
Okay.
Because Scarcely Entertainments have really given me the life that I've been fighting so hard and then praying, struggling through the tours and down in the street to get it. And also, discover me no more rebranding me into plasma music.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is why when you listen to my song, nobody say I tried the possible best to say yeah, bring back the real calling of African tunes and all the guitars and the things that we've been lacking in the industry. So we bring it back to you.
Thank you.
So that is
so
plasma
much.
music.
Your song is vibrant. Just say it brings out new rhythms. Be I say back. It's a very lovely song. I want to tell you to keep pushing. This is not the end of the road.
Thank you.
Baby, we anymore. I said I can't change their money, but they way anymore. Let's fight to be alive.
Thank you.
Okay, I said let's appreciate what life gives us.
Thank you.
Lady Scarce, your final words.
I want to say thank you all for giving me the opportunity to be here, and then shout out to my entire team, Scarcely Entertainment, and my CEO, Ken Kwame Scarce, and then Basi Simon, my manager, Abisco, and the Secret News GH, who have been so supportive and been there for me. A shout out to Castle City and my fans out there in Agona Sejro and all over the world. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Scarce Lady. Thank you so much. Yeah, that must be very high on your 95.1 FM. Adwuma Adwuma Sunni. My name is first guest here, WM Komono. It was so nice to have her on the show.
Wow.